If you're looking to up your productivity game and streamline how you tackle projects in 2024, learning how to use ClickUp for project management is an absolute must. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through setting up a project management space in ClickUp using one of their built-in templates, so you can hit the ground running and stay organized from day one. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to launch your next project with confidence, save time, and avoid that chaotic scramble of building systems from scratch. Let's get started with the very first thing you'll want to do: navigate to your ClickUp workspace. If you're already logged in, you'll see your dashboard. It's kind of like your control center, where all your projects and tasks are organized. Think of this workspace as the virtual office where all your planning magic happens. If you're new to ClickUp, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the sidebar and layout. It helps to know your way around before diving into project setup. Next, look for the Create Space button. This is a core feature in ClickUp that allows you to carve out distinct areas for different teams, clients, or projects. Spaces act like folders in your computer. You wouldn't keep all your files in one messy pile. Creating a dedicated space makes it much easier to organize tasks, documents, and processes specific to each project, which means less clutter and more clarity as you work. Once you've clicked Create Space, you'll be given several options. Here, where things get exciting, search for the Project Management Template. Templates in ClickUp are basically pre-made frameworks designed by productivity experts to kickstart your workflow. Imagine renting a furnished apartment instead of moving in with just a sleeping bag. You'll have all the essentials in place and you can settle in much faster. The Project Management Template typically comes loaded with task lists, milestones, priority columns, and sometimes even example tasks, so you get an instant structure to build on. After you find the template, go ahead and select Use Template. This quick step saves you hours of setup time. Instead of wrestling with a blank slate and figuring out the best way to organize everything, the template does most of the heavy lifting for you. It's a bit like having a project manager hand you a customized checklist and calendar. All you have to do is plug in your own details. Now, here's a critical step: personalize the information to fit your unique project needs. You'll want to update things like project titles, deadlines, task descriptions, and team assignments so that everything aligns perfectly with what you're actually working on. Don't worry if some items in the template don't apply to your project. You're free to modify, remove, or add in anything you want. Take your time here. Thoughtful customization makes your workflow smoother and ensures you're not just organized on paper, but in practice too. Think of this stage as tailoring a suit. The template gives you the basic pattern, but you need to fit it just right so it's comfortable and perfectly suited to you. And just like that, you're set up. You now have a fully functioning project management space ready to go. No endless tinkering, no starting from scratch. You can begin adding tasks, collaborating with your team, and tracking progress with all the powerful features ClickUp has to offer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about using ClickUp or if there's another tool you'd like me to cover. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials that help you get things done smarter and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.